Abbreviations. An abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase. Abbreviations may be used to save time and space, to avoid repetition of long words and phrases. A thing to remember about abbreviations is that certain ones are considered informal. The other thing to remember is that some readers may not know what an abbreviation means. If you are going to use abbreviations in your writing, make sure to explain what it means the first time you use it. In this lesson, we will learn about common abbreviations used in the English language. Types of abbreviations. Abbreviations come in a couple of varieties. Both acronyms and initialisms are abbreviations that are formed by combining the initial letter or letters of each word into a longer name or phrase. Typically, acronyms and initialisms are written in all capital letters to distinguish them from ordinary words. Let's look at each type of abbreviation in detail. Acronyms. An acronym is pronounced as a single word, rather than as a series of letters. NASA, for instance, is an acronym. It stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Occasionally, an acronym becomes so common that it is taken for a regular word, and people no longer think of it as an abbreviation. The word laser, for example, originated as an acronym, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. However, few people know that it is actually an acronym. Some more examples of acronyms. SCUBA, self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. ASAP, as soon as possible. Radar, radio detecting and ranging. Initialisms. Initialisms are similar to acronyms in that they are also formed using the first letter of each word in a longer phrase. Unlike acronyms, however, initialisms are pronounced as a series of letters. NFL, National Football League, for example, is pronounced NFL. Internet slang often takes the form of initialisms such as L, O, L, IDK, IMO, BRB. Although this type of slang isn't appropriate for important correspondence like emails, it can be handy for informal online chatting, especially if you type slowly. Some more examples of initialisms. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. UN, United Nations. CD, compact disc. Abbreviations for titles and degrees. Titles, such as Mr., Mrs., and Miss, as well as the names of academic degrees such as Bachelor of Science and Doctor of Philosophy, are almost always abbreviated. The most common title abbreviations include Mr., Mrs., Miss. The most common academic degree abbreviations include Bachelor of Science, Master of Business Administration, Doctor of Philosophy. Other abbreviations. Below are a few other abbreviations that are common in English. Remember that abbreviations are not always completely standardized. Times and dates. AM, or ante-meridiem, is used for before noon, PM. Post-meridiem is used for afternoon. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December are abbreviations for the months of the year. Places. US, United States, UK, United Kingdom, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Units of measurement. Inches, feet, pounds, millimeters. Thank you.